1058. The reaction rate, this is a third order reaction, is is happening in an isothermal. Isothermal, that means temperature is constant plug flow reactor. The conversion X at two locations, 1 and 2. So at L1, the value of X1 is 0.3 and the value of L2, X2 is 0.6. Okay. Um, so we have to find out the ratio of L1 over L2. So I'm taking this equation. This, of course, is taken from Levin's wheel. P1. So here, if we put n is equal to 3, and these are, of course, constant, and tau, which is the mean residence time, of course, is going to be equal to V over V0, where V0 is the volumetric flow rate and it's coming at a CA0. And V is the volume of the reactor up to the point where we are measuring the reaction. So here it will be V1 and here it will be V2. But let's call V as equal to V is equal to A into L, where A is the cross-sectional area of the tube. So this cross-sectional area of the tube. So up to this point, this would be the area of cross-section of the tube multiplied by L1. And up to here, this would be area of the cross-section of 2 multiplied by L2. Right? And here it would be AL1. Right? So, and it's of course the corresponding conversion up to that point. So if we put that, we can rewrite the equation, and for tau we are putting V over V0, and V0 is the volumetric flow rate, which is constant, and for volume of the reactor up to that point is written as cross section multiplied by the length of the plug flow reactor up to that point. Now here, this is constant, at a certain temperature, this is constant, cross-section of the tube is constant. The whole thing is constant, we can write in terms of C, which is a constant. So we can write L is equal to C multiplied by 1 over 1 minus of XA whole square minus of 1. Now, two data are given. At L1, we have X1 is equal to 0.3. That's one equation. And the second equation at L, let's say L, which is of course L1 plus L2, because here up to this point, let me just show you. Up to this point, this is L1, and from here to here, this is L2. Okay, so what we have here, x2 is equal to 0.6 when the total length is equal to L1 plus L2. Okay, L1 plus L2. This is L1. So these two equations can be solved very easily, and we can get the value of L1 over L2 is equal to 0.25. Details shown in detailed calculation shown in website.